like, you know, some red carpet, like, bam. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are new, welcome to my page, and if you have been following me already, thank you so much for the continuous support. I love you guys so much. So today, as promised, I am here with my Tuesday upload, and I created this very nice dramatic smoky eye, and I have not done this in a long time, and I think it came out very nice. You know, I was just sitting in front of my camera like, what do I want to film today? And I just let the makeup gods use me, and this is what I came up with, and I'm very pleased. I love like the silvery smoky eye look to be completed with a nude lip, a nude glossy lip, because I don't know, like I feel like to do a bold lip with this is gonna be like, you know, some red carpet, like bam. So it's either like a hit or miss, and I did not want to like mess it up, so I just stuck to the safe side and put on a very nice nude gloss. I've been kind of focusing more on like the neutral eyes because it's summer, like, you know, want to be out during the daytime, but now that fall is coming around, I think I want to start venturing into the more dramatic eye looks. What do you guys think about that? Let me know down in the description if you want to see that on my channel. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then continue to watch, but first please make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Like, comment, share, and let's get right into it. And here's the final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating this look. Like, I'm still at a loss of words at like how nice this look came out. Like, I was not expecting to go down this route, but I did, and we are here and I'm loving it. So once again, thank you for tuning in today. I will see you in my next upload, which will be on Friday. Remember, I will be uploading twice a week, every Tuesdays and Fridays. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed, hoping that nothing knocks me off track, so I will be able to upload content for you guys on those 2 days. So yeah, I'll see you in my next upload on Friday. Thank you for watching.